A vision ignited. The genesis of Tesla. In the heart of Silicon Valley, a dream took root. This was a place where innovation thrived and new ideas were constantly being born. In 2003, Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning founded Tesla Motors. They were driven by a shared passion for technology and a desire to change the world. Their vision was audacious, to prove that electric cars could outshine their gasoline-powered counterparts. They believed that electric vehicles could be both practical and exciting. The goal was not just to build eco-friendly vehicles, but to create cars that were faster, sexier, and more desirable. They wanted to shatter the stereotype that electric cars were slow and boring. This was the beginning of Tesla's journey, a journey fueled by innovation and an unwavering belief in the power of sustainable energy. Every step was a leap towards a cleaner future. Early investors recognized the potential of Tesla's vision. They saw the promise of a company that could revolutionize the automotive industry. Among them was Elon Musk, a young entrepreneur who shared the company's ambition and drive. Musk's vision for the future aligned perfectly with Tesla's goals. Musk's involvement would prove pivotal in shaping Tesla's destiny. His leadership and investment were crucial in navigating the challenges ahead. Little did the world know that this small startup was about to disrupt a century-old industry and ignite a global revolution in transportation. Tesla was on the brink of changing how we think about cars forever. The architect of dreams, Elon Musk's indelible mark. Elon Musk's entry into Tesla was a turning point. He invested heavily in the company and became its chairman in 2004. His vision extended beyond just building electric cars. Musk aimed to transform the entire automotive and energy industries. He brought his relentless work ethic, engineering prowess, and unwavering belief in technological advancement to the forefront. Under Musk's leadership, Tesla embarked on the development of its first car, the Roadster. Musk was deeply involved in every aspect, from the design and engineering to the strategic direction of the company. His leadership style, characterized by ambition, risk-taking, and a focus on first principles thinking, became ingrained in Tesla's DNA. Roadster, a spark that ignited the revolution. In 2008, Tesla launched its first production car, the Roadster. This moment marked a significant milestone in automotive history. This sleek, all-electric sports car was a revelation. It combined cutting-edge technology with a design that turned heads wherever it went. It boasted impressive performance, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, a feat that was unheard of for electric vehicles at the time, and had a range of over 200 miles on a single charge. This made it not only fast, but also practical for everyday use. The Roadster shattered preconceived notions about electric vehicles, proving that they could be both eco-friendly and exhilarating. It was a game-changer in the truest sense. The Roadster served as a powerful proof of concept. It demonstrated that electric cars could compete with, and even surpass, traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. It attracted attention and investment, establishing Tesla as a serious contender in the automotive industry. Investors saw the potential for a new kind of car company. The world began to take notice of this California-based startup that was challenging the status quo. Tesla was no longer just a dream, it was becoming a reality. The Roadster wasn't just a car, it was a statement, signaling the dawn of a new era in transportation. It was the spark that ignited a revolution, changing the way we think about cars forever. Model S, X, and 3. Redefining the automotive landscape. Tesla has been at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution, pushing boundaries and setting new standards in the automotive industry. Building on the success of the Roadster, Tesla set its sights on the mass market. The Roadster was just the beginning, a proof of concept that electric cars could be fast, fun, and desirable. In 2012, the company launched the Model S, a luxury sedan that redefined expectations for electric vehicles. It wasn't just an electric car, it was a statement of what the future of driving could be. With its sleek design, spacious interior, and impressive range, the Model S became an instant hit, winning numerous awards and accolades. It showed the world that electric vehicles could compete with and even surpass traditional gasoline cars. Following the Model S, Tesla introduced the Model X in 2015, a falcon-winged SUV that combined performance with practicality. The Model X brought innovation to the SUV market with its unique features and advanced technology. In 2017, the more affordable Model 3 was launched, making electric vehicles accessible to a wider audience. The Model 3 was a game-changer, offering high performance and long range at a more attainable price point. These three models solidified Tesla's position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. Each model brought something unique to the table, catering to different needs and preferences, and together they have reshaped the automotive landscape. Pioneering innovation, Autopilot and Beyond. Beyond its electric powertrains, Tesla distinguished itself through technological innovation. The company's Autopilot system, introduced in 2014, showcased its commitment to autonomous driving technology. Autopilot uses a suite of sensors, cameras and software to assist drivers with steering, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control. Tesla's innovation extends to its battery technology. The company's gigafactories, massive factories dedicated to battery production, are key to its strategy of achieving economies of scale and reducing the cost of electric vehicles. Tesla's vertical integration, from battery production to software development, gives it a significant advantage in the industry. Navigating the turbulent seas, challenges and triumphs. Tesla's journey has not been without its challenges and setbacks. The company has faced production delays, financial struggles, and scrutiny from regulators and competitors alike. Musk's ambitious goals and unconventional leadership style have also drawn criticism. However, through it all, Tesla has persevered and pushed forward, overcoming obstacles and emerging stronger than before. Tesla's ability to innovate and adapt has been crucial to its success. The company has repeatedly defied expectations, proving skeptics wrong and inspiring a new generation of entrepreneurs and engineers. Tesla's story is a testament to the power of vision, determination, and the unwavering belief in a sustainable future for all. A sustainable tomorrow. Tesla's enduring legacy. Tesla's impact extends far beyond its own balance sheet. The company has played a pivotal role in accelerating the global transition to sustainable energy. Its electric vehicles have forced traditional automakers to accelerate their own electric vehicle programs, driving innovation and competition in the industry. Looking ahead, Tesla's ambitions reach far beyond Earth. Musk envisions a future where humanity is a multi-planetary species, with Tesla playing a key role in making this vision a reality. From electric cars to solar roofs to interplanetary travel, Tesla's journey is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the pursuit of a sustainable future.